Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mother, di ka mag-a-afford doon?
Bawal, di ba?
Bawal, sabi ni Jeff? Sabi niya?
Bawal. Pag sunog yung apoy lang, yung usok.
Sabi?
Kasi nagsunog siya ng karton, apoy lang. Tapos nilagyan ko ng mga ano doon, yung usok. Sinibukan niya.
Bakit inalis mo?
May pangalan.
Na?
Masama pag ano, katulad yung halimbawa, pinamigay mo tapos isama sa patay.
Ah.
Magiging patay ka na rin. Ganun lang yun nangyari kay Manoy.
Ah, inalis mo na. Okay. No, Farhan?
No. Plus all the smoke.
Ay, nilaglagay ka ng ano to, Mother?
Is that the mosquito coil? Want me to bring you a mosquito coil?
Yeah.
Okay. I got it. And then, no, because all the smoke.
Kunti naman yung amoy, marami pa dun eh.
Mm.
Ganyan ko.
Oo.
Yeah, bad enough. I think after the cotton, it's this.
Okay. Hi, guys. Mother, suka saka ano, Mother? Sausawan. Hindi mo na pamimigay yan, sira na. Sabi ko, hindi mo na pamimigay yan, sira na. Nilagyan mo ng konting mantika, Nay.
Marami ng mantika yan.
Mm. Sabi ko, saan ba si Dong? Kasi lagyan mo nga ng ano, ng sweet and sour, tapos suka.
Sa'yo na.
Oo. Please, thank you.
You want to do the coil?
Yep.
And I got this little, I found this tablecloth.
Or maybe on that,
No.
oh, on that one.
Yeah, all these.
That one is really used up. Oh, look at the grandma. Hindi makakain ko na lahat yan, Mother.
Nilabas na lahat.
You got that one burned? Where do you want to put this?
Let's put it on top, Han. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I saved.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where I got it. I had it out in the garage. It's like me and baby were doing it.
Ilagay mo na.
Dagdagan mo na. Lagay mo na natin sa labas.
Ay, ilagay mo. Hindi ko mahawak. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Thank you.
Panisa. Si Bebe. At na nakita natin.
It's already hot out.
Perfect.